Saddlemen's Cruis'n Deluxe 3-pocket windshield bag is designed to fit your 1996 to 2013 Harley-Davidson FLHT FLHX models with batwing fairings, offering unparalleled style, strength, and function when cruising the highway. A blend of rugged materials makes these bags tough, weather-resistant, and long-lasting, and it keeps your most valuable items protected ride after ride. The Cruis'n Deluxe Windshield Bag is shaped to fit perfectly within the contours of your motorcycle's inner dash. Storage is divided between 3 independent pockets for a combined cargo capacity of over 45 cubic inches. Pockets are distinctly styled, featuring large opening flaps that offer easy access to each compartment. Sunglasses, wallet, cameras, whatever small items you might need on the fly, this bag puts them right at your fingertips. You can even snap off the bag's left pocket to create the perfect amount of space for a dash-mounted Harley-Davidson accessory or GPS system. Saddlemen's windshield bags are made from rugged UV water and weather-resistant materials designed to keep your belongings safe and secure even in the harshest conditions. The universal design also works with the most popular OEM and aftermarket windshields. Quarter-turn hasp release accept mini padlocks to secure your valuables when you leave your motorcycle unattended. Unlike other windshield bags on the market, Saddlemen's Cruis'n Deluxe bag can be installed without modifying your motorcycle. All you need is a few basic hand tools and you can mount it yourself in a matter of minutes. Removing the bag is just as simple. Thanks to its rigid internal structure, the bag is able to hold its shape regardless of what's inside. Even when it's empty, it looks like it's full. Available right around that $75 price point, the Cruis'n Deluxe Windshield Bag is a stylish accessory that offers practical convenience to all types of riders. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly, knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.